exercise 3.4, the second problem, p of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and g of x equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Now if you observe this one, the given dividend is of the order descending 4, 2, 1, 0. So I observe this one, the x cube term is missing out here. So that is the one I have rectified. And similarly, if I go for the division, x square, constant and x is given. So this is not in the descending powers of x. So I will write this one when solving in the descending powers of x and I will solve the problem. Now what is the given? X power 4. Now here x cube term is not given. I write that as 0 x cube. Whatever the term is not given, write with 0 of that x coefficient. Now minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now what is the term? X square minus x plus 1. If you observe this one, descending power 2, 1, 0. Now x square, x constant. Similarly here 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing is there, 1, 0. So I can solve this problem. Now what is the first step? I have to take the first term of the dividend as well as the divisor. So x power 4 by x square. Now x power 4 is nothing but x into x into x, nothing but 4 times x, and x square is nothing but x into x. Now both they get cancelled. What is the term will get? X square. So I will take x square as a quotient. Now x square into x square, x power 4. Now minus x into x square, nothing but x cube. Now plus into plus, plus 1 into x square, 1x square. Now I will change of sign. Plus is there minus, minus is there plus is there minus. Same terms get cancelled. X power 4 minus x power 4. Now here nothing is there. So I can write this one as 1. So I can write this as 1x cube. Now both are minus. So 3 plus 1, 4 x square. Now big number sign is minus. Plus here two terms are there. I will take the next term. 4x plus 5. Now what is the term here? X square. So I will take this as x cube by x square. Now the first term of this one by again the divisor first term. Now this is nothing but x into x by x into x get cancelled. Now what is the remaining? X. Now plus x I will take now x square into x cube, minus into plus minus x into x square, nothing is there, I take as 1. Now plus into plus 1 into x, 1x. Now minus plus again minus. Now plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Now both 1 is plus 4 plus 1, nothing but minus 4 plus 1 is nothing but 3x square, 4 minus 1, 3, big number sign minus. Now 4 minus 1, 3, nothing but 3x plus 5. Now what is the term again? X square and x square. So I will take here 3x square minus 3x square by x square. X square get cancelled. Now what is the term? Minus, we have to take here minus 3. Now plus into minus, minus 3 into x square, 3x square. Now minus into minus, plus 3 into x, 3x. Oh, sorry, the big number sign is plus, and I have taken 4 minus 1 is 3, big number sign is plus. Now minus into plus is minus, plus into minus, minus 1 3 is a 3. Now change of sign. Plus, minus into minus, this is in plus, so minus, no, this is plus. Now here minus into minus, plus 3 into x, 3x. Now get cancelled. Now this also get cancelled. Now what is the remaining? 8. Now what is the remainder? 8. So I can write down x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is nothing but, what is the quotient? X square plus x minus 3 into x square minus x plus 1 plus 8. Now this is a division of a polynomial having with degree 4 by a quadrilateral. Exercise 3.4, the third bit is nothing but p of x equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 divided by g of x equal to 2 minus x square. Now if you observe the dividend, here x power 4 is given and no x cube is given as well as no x square term is given, and the x term is given and constant is given. Here two terms are missing it out. That is the first rectification I have done. And the second one, if you observe this one, here the x square term is given and the constant is given as well as x term is missing out here. Now and also this is not in the descending powers of x. So I should correct this as a descending powers of x and I should add the terms which are not given. Now, so I can write this one as x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Now, minus x square plus 2s given. Now, what is the first term? X power 4 by minus x square. Now, x power 4 is nothing but x square into x square by minus x square. X square get cancelled. So, what is the coefficient I can get? Minus x square. So, I will write down minus into minus plus x into x power 4. Now, plus into minus. Now this is 2 into x, wherever it is getting x square only, I should write at the x square term. 2 into x square, 2x square, and plus into minus, minus. Now change of sign, minus, plus. So this get cancelled. Now what is the term here? 0. So this is 0 having no value, so left out this term. Now what is this one? 2, both are in plus. So 2 plus 0, 2x square. That is not 0 plus 2, 2x square. Now, what is the term next term? Minus 5x plus 6. Now, I will go for this again. What is the first term? 2x square by minus x square. Now, x square get cancelled. I can get minus 2. So, I will take minus 2. Now, minus into minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square. Now, plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4. Now, minus as well as plus get cancelled. So nothing is there, indicates minus 5x term. Now 6 plus 4, 10. Now this is the problem. Now if I go for this one again, so I explained previously why, because minus 5x, if I consider this term, can I do it or not? Just check it out. By minus x square, this is nothing but 5 into x by x into x, nothing but again. So this is minus 5 into 1 by x. Now this 1 by x is not a polynomial. So I will stop here. I will stop up to this one. So what is the answer? Minus 5x plus 10 is the remainder. X square minus 2 is the quotient. And x square minus x square plus 2 is the divisor. And this is the dividend. Now what is the dividend rule? X power 4 plus minus 5x plus 6 is equal to minus x square minus 2 into minus x square plus 2 plus minus 5x plus 10. Now this is the problem. Exercise 3.4, fourth problem. Now the problem is given that on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by g of x is nothing but a divisor. Now here he has not given the what is a divisor. He is given that the quotient x minus 2 is a quotient, as well as r of x remainder is nothing but minus 2x plus 4, and is asking to find out g of x. Now what is the g of x? G of x is nothing but a divisor. Now we will know how to find out when one term is not given. Now for this basically I will use the dividend algorithm. What is the dividend algorithm? P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is nothing but dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now here I will substitute. What is the p of x given? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to, what is the g of x? I don't know. G of x into, what is q of x? X minus 2 plus, what is the term given? Minus 2x plus 4. Now I can write this one, g of x into x minus 2. Now plus into minus, minus 2x plus into plus 4. Now this is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Here I need g of x. So I will take this term to this side and keep it. Now what happens? x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x become plus 2x plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Now x cube minus 3x square. Now here 2x plus 1, add the terms with having same coefficient. Now is 1, same coefficient x. So 2 plus 1, 3x. Now plus 2 minus 4, minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Here I need to find out g of x. What is g of x? So this is in multiplication. I will bring this term to this side. So g of x is nothing but x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Now here I have found out the term g of x is nothing but if I want to divide, I can obtain g of x when I divide this x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Now I will do the division of this one and I obtain the g of x. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. If we solve this one, whatever the quotient we obtain, that is nothing but the g of x. Now what is the first term here? X cube and x. So similarly I will go for x cube by x, nothing but x cube is nothing but x into x square by x. X and square cancel. So I can multiply here x square. Now what is x square? Now here nothing is there. 1 into x square, x, and x into x square is x cube. Now minus plus into minus, minus 2 into x square, 2x square. Now minus plus, change of sign. Now x cube and x cube get cancel. Now this is plus 3 minus 1. So I can write 3 minus 2, 1x square, big number sign, minus plus 3x. Now I'll go for the next term. What is here? 2 terms are there, I'll go for the 2 times. Now what is the first term? Minus 1x square by x. Now what is x square? Nothing but minus 1 into x into x by x. Now x square cancel. Now what is the remaining? Minus x. Now minus plus into minus, minus 1 into x, 1x square. Now minus into minus, plus 2 into x, 2x. Now change of sign, plus minus, minus 1x square plus 1x square get cancel. Now 3 minus 2, 1x. Now here single term is there. I will take the next term as minus 2. Now what is the term here? X by x. This is nothing but 1. X get cancelled. We will get as 1. Now plus 1. Now 1 into x, x, plus into minus, minus 1 to the 2. Now change of sign, minus plus. Now both the terms get cancelled. So what is the remainder? 0. Now what is this one? Nothing but, here I can conclude that g of x is nothing but what I have obtained, x square minus x plus 1. So what is the g of x? Is equal to x square minus x plus 1 is the g of x of the problem. This is how we will find out by using the division algorithm whether any term is not given.